Then finally we have this question, and they said that a 65 years old diabetic lady came and they had given you an image of a senile cataract. Some image of the senile cataract was given. Image of a senile cataract was given, though there is a lot of confusion that what image came, but that was showing total cataract. And patient also came with a gradual, painless, progressive diminution of vision. And I think the dictum, and I had also given you the mathematical ophthalmology, in which I told you that whenever there is a gradual, painless, progressive diminution of vision, it is either the cataract or it's a open angle glaucoma. When we have the acute red eye, either it's acute congestive glaucoma or it's acute anterior uveitis. If you have floaters, it's a vitreous pathology. If you have distorted vision, then it's a macular pathology. So we have talked about this. Similar image only, ma'am, for sure. So this is a similar kind of image. So what can you see here? You can see we are having the wedge shaped areas coming from the periphery towards the center. So this is the wedge shaped area. So this will be your cuneiform type of cortical cataract. Uniform type of the cortical cataract will be there. So I always told you that the main treatment of the cataract will be the cataract extraction with the PCIOL implantation. And we have got the different methods for the cataract extraction, and even in the one shot session we discussed this. It can be ICCE, it can be ECCE, it can be SICS, and the most recent and advanced is the phaco. So here what they have given is the phaco with the IOL. Therefore the answer to this question will be immature senile cataract, and the phaco option is there. Right now they had given so many other ones also. They have given you, I think, zonular cataract. Now zonular cataract will be giving you the riders, the spokes of wheel like opacity, plus the zonular cataract will be the congenital or the developmental cataract. Therefore it cannot be the options. So this is again very clear cut. Snowflake cataract. Now purposefully they wrote this snowflake cataract because they had said that this patient was having the diabetes. They did not mention the duration. Plus I told you this in one shot also, that the most common diabetic cataract, if I talk about the most common diabetic cataract, then it is not snowflake. It is actually the pre-senile cataract. And pre-senile cataract can give you the same thing. We can have the premature aging. That is why this is not the snowflake cataract. Now even if I think that it can be a snowflake cataract, I will not control the sugar for a cataract. I will just do the cataract surgery. Then one of the option was a tobramycin, antibiotic eye drops. Obviously for the cataract you have to do the surgery. For surgery we will give the antibiotic. So this is not there. I do not know about the sunflower cataract. Was sunflower cataract in the option, or ECC with the aphakia glasses? Obviously if I want to do ECC, PCIOL is much better option in comparison to the aphakia glasses if it was there. Definitely it is not a sunflower cataract, because sunflower cataract, either you get in, what are the causes of sunflower cataract? This also we discussed it even in one shot. I told you it can be the Wilson's disease, it can be the Charcot's, or it can be a penetrating trauma. These are the three things. So we are not having any of the cause of this sunflower cataract. So it is not a sunflower cataract, not snowflake. Okay, so they did not give the snowflake cataract. They gave the sunflower cataract. They said about the blood sugar control. And what was this? Did they talked about the tobramycin eye drops or ECC with the aphakia glasses? Definitely sunflower cataract के causes में we are having the penetrating trauma and the Wilson's disease. So you can actually help me. Rosette cataract, okay, control के साथ, blood sugar control के साथ we were having the rosette cataract. So rosette cataract is actually due to the blunt trauma, and obviously here we are not having any history of the trauma, and there was no tobramycin. Okay, they did not give the tobramycin. Somebody told me, maybe out of some confusion, that okay, zonular cataract के साथ, but zonular के साथ तो I think there was lensectomy. ECC with the aphakia classes was there. So instead of this, D option will be this, and the zonular के साथ we were having So zonular के साथ we were having the blood sugar control or we were having lensectomy. Please make this also sure, so that we can come up with the highest accuracy of the language of the questions as well as the options in the recall PDF for all of you. Because some students told me that there was, and they specifically said that tobramycin was written in that, the topical tobramycin was given. Then they said zonular cataract with the lensectomy, and there was some confusion about sunflower cataract or the snowflake cataract along with the blood sugar control. Only last option, only last question was incorrect. Which last question? This one, ankylosing spondylitis, or this one? Answer क्या है? Answer is the A. It's a immature senile cataract, because you can see this iris shadow, this crescent shape shadow is there. So this is the iris shadow, and because iris shadow is present, therefore it will be a case of immature senile cataract. So I think the best answer will be the immature senile cataract with the phacoemulsification. टोब्रामाइसिन था, रोजेट, सनफ्लावर, जोन्यूलर. ओके, तो रोजेट तो आई हैव रिटन, बट जोन्यूलर कैटरेक्ट के आगे देयर वाज लेंसेक्टमी या फिर ईसीसी विद द एफेकिया ग्लासेस. अगर इफ यू लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी क्लियर कट, देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. देखो 65 इयर्स मतलब मोर देन 60 इयर्स, ठीक है, डायबिटीज पेशेंट. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द डायबिटिक कैटरेक्ट, देन ऑल्सो यू नो दैट द मोस्ट कॉमन इज नॉट द स्नोफ्लेक कैटरेक्ट, it is the pre-senile. Another important thing is that they have not even given you, because you people are telling me that snowflake cataract is not there in the options. Then there is no point of confusion. That means the only cataract that this patient can develop can be the pre-senile. Now pre-senile cataract will be of two types, nuclear or cortical. And cortical, out of nuclear and cortical, you know, most common ka that I give you the flow chart, that always in the acquired cataract it is the senile cataract which is more common. In the senile we have cortical and the nuclear, so it is cortical which is more common. And in the cortical we have the cuneiform as well as the cupuliform. We have the cuneiform as well as cupuliform, so it is this cuneiform which is more common. This is the flowchart that I always give you. So that means it's a cuneiform. Then you can see the image also. In the image also they have given you the wedge shaped areas from the periphery towards the center. Now they thought that you can be confusing this cuneiform cataract with the spokes of cycle wheel appearance. That is why they put the zonular cataract. Now think for 1 second that even if you confuse with the image, but look at the age of the patient. 65 years age patient cannot have the zonular cataract, cannot have the congenital or developmental cataract. Okay, so you cannot have the zonular cataract. Then if I talk about the sunflower cataract, you are not having any cause of sunflower cataract, because we are not having any Wilson's disease, Charles-Causes, or the penetrating trauma. And then tobramycin eye drops. Tobramycin eye drops again will not be the answer, because eye drops is not the treatment for the cataract. So ठीक है. So I hope this one is very very clear, and definitely you can ask your doubts on the Telegram group, Facebook group, and you can follow. Always remember that success is not final, failure is not fatal, and it is actually the courage that continues. And I hope you all will come up in flying colors. But even if you do not get those marks, those scores that you are expecting, promise me that you will not start feeling low, you will not be demotivated, you will not be betrayed from your path, and you will remain focused. You will continue to work with the consistency, and within few months again we are going to have the paper, and I will see you on the other side of the fence. So stay tuned guys, keep up the good work, all the very best. Bye bye, thank you, happy ophthalmology.